Hey, I'm so glad you're here. All right, so we are talking about badass intuition. What the hell is badass intuition? Okay, badass intuition to me is the intuition that you use, your intuitive knowing, to be able to make more money. I'm talking some serious badass money. Okay. And I know a lot of people in the spiritual world, they want to like be all woo woo with their intuition and like, whoa, this is great. And it's just like, I know how to manifest a parking space. And oh my goodness, I know how to draw in the perfect partner. That's great. But my focus is on business. And I know for a fact that using your intuition is the fastest way to cash in your bank account, kind of cash. So let me tell you from my own example. So 30-day period, last 30-day period, I brought in $24,000. Yes, actual money realized into the bank account kind of money, right? So that's the kind of thing that I'm talking about. This has like been my best 30-day period that I've had for a long time because I'm like leaning in even more. I've always been good at bringing in money, but I've been cranking things up to a whole new level because I'm willing to actually stand even more in my intuitive knowing. And so I think it's time for me to share these tools because they do work. I work with my clients one-on-one and I've been sharing them with them and they've been having like tremendous results. You know, Kat, she ended up finally having the gumption to quit her hairdressing and go out and follow her dreams to be a sex educator. And she's like rocking it. She's getting interviews like crazy, radio interviews. She's making the money. She's found an amazing partner. Like things are dropping in because she's willing to follow her intuition, follow her knowing. I've also had a client, Shannon Hernandez, who's like an amazing, amazing woman. She has leaned into her intuition and some of the tools that I've taught her. And she just reached out to me the other day. She said she's booked 2 clients for potential 12K working with her. And she booked 7 people at a $700 product. So that's not bad for working with your intuition and following it, right? There's like, that's what I'm talking about. It's the actual money. So it's not just about, hey, I've got this thing, I can get better with what I'm doing. Sorry with the shaky camera. You know, those kinds of things, but it's actually about changing your life. So let's talk about the program, because I'm super excited. So what we are going to be doing, we're going to be looking at getting you to become the human lie detector. That's first thing, human lie detector. Okay. But I'm talking like high level human lie detector, being able to spot everything, the truth, the lie, the part truth, the part lie, being able to really know that in your gut, because this is the start of it. If you can't spot the lie, you're not going to walk away from the bullshit people, right? This is the thing. It's like, it's so exciting. So I love teaching people how to become a human lie detector, and we are like cranking this stuff up. So even if you have some skills, some mad skills in your intuition, this is going to crank things up for you. I promise. It is stellar. So cool. So that's the first thing. And then of course you're going to be able to, with that, sense, you know, who are the actual experts and who are the scam artists so that you can save some money. Okay. Promise you that will save you thousands of dollars in and of itself. Okay. Thousands of dollars. I know I've made some bad mistakes. I don't know about you, but when I have not gone with my intuition, oh my God, it's been expensive, really expensive, like ugly expensive. So let's just not even go there. I'm just gonna like breathe. Okay. Now, the other part of this is using your intuition to map out the business plan. Okay. And this is the fun stuff for me. It's like really being able to know what you need to be doing, what your plan is. Your plan. This is important because I don't know about you, but I have followed systems and structures and the experts out there telling me, but it doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? It doesn't work because it's their fucking plan, not my fucking plan. It's theirs. It's not intuitively aligned for me. I am following it because they're telling me to follow it instead of following what I know. And that doesn't work. You can pull aspects and parts and pieces from it because you're going to pull it intuitively, and that's how you make it work. So we have a whole system and process to get you dropped into knowing what your strategic business plan needs to be, how that needs to work. And of course, you're going to be able to use this over and over again. So this is what starts to make you more money. And then the training, the bootcamp part of it is the training to get you to follow your intuitive knowing over and over and over again so that you continue to make more and more money. So not promising that you're going to like walk out of here and make 24,000 in the next 30 days. Of course, I can't promise anything. It depends on your list size. It depends on where you're at. Are you brand new? Or are you like, maybe you'll make more? Who knows? I don't know. But I do promise that the $500 investment that you're going to put in here, I promise you will have at least a 2x return on that, either through avoiding costly mistakes or increasing your income. I do promise you that. So if you don't see that kind of return within 60 days, let me know. I'll give you your money back. Okay, so a couple of quick things about the fast action bonuses, because these are going to run out really quickly. You got a week to get in on this. So I'm really excited. So Carrie wrote down, she is doing this amazing intuitive art class. I need to get that out. You need to know about this. You are going to get a free ticket to that. So it's a $49 value. You also get a one-on-one with me. Like, what? I know. We are like going to crank this crap out of your system so that you can really access all of your intuition way more, get the stuff moved out that's stopping you from making the kind of money that you actually want to make. So that's a huge value. That's worth $350 for a one-off session with me. Huge. So again, $500 investment. You get the bonuses if you sign up right now, and you get these amazing skills that are definitely going to make you money. So here's your thing. You're going to check into your intuition. What does your gut tell you right now? Does this say, yes, this is what I need, this is the next step? Then sign up. Just do it. Pull the trigger. That's your first training. Pull the trigger right now. Don't wait to come back to this page, because you probably won't. If your intuition says, yes, this is the right thing, pull the trigger. I know I'm being pushy, but pull the trigger. All right. Woo! See you in the class.